Hey guys, so welcome to the home office. We're not outside today, we're indoors, but I wanted to talk about something really quick and I would like everybody to kind of chime in and comment below on this. I'm thinking about I do a lot of home automation stuff with my own home, be it the automated shades, lights, outlets, power monitoring. I use Home Assistant. I also use Google Home, but I'm thinking about, maybe not really like featuring products, just about talking about products, maybe doing some reviews, showing how I have some automation set up, like my shades automatically open and close during the day, lights automatically come on when you walk into the room and turn off when you leave. I'm curious because this kind of goes way away from what I usually do on this channel, and on weeks like this week, I've done a lot of, just work around my home automation because it's been so stormy here. I just haven't been working. So I've been kind of cooped up inside, got the van all set up, ready to go when it's time to go back to work. But I've been doing a lot of that stuff, so I'm kind of curious if that's something you guys would be interested in. Like I said, it's just going to be a short video. I just wanted to come on and ask this question. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and depending on what you guys say, we'll go from there. Thanks a million.